Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is video number 2 for the FTX tutorial. If you haven't watched the first one, please just check the previous video called FTX 01 tutorial. And on this video, we're going to talk about the security levels of FTX. So let's go here, let's share the screen. And what I want you to do is you click on your email address and then you click on settings. And on the security here, you go to click on the two-factor authentication, and then you can either download the auth or the Google Authenticator or the other options here, and also the SMS. I particularly wouldn't recommend SMS because it can be easily hacked. I would suggest the Google Authenticator either on your laptop or on your phone, and make sure you save the private keys at all times. All right, so once you have that, the next time you log in into your account, it will ask for your password plus the Google Authenticator or the 2FA. So that's very important because then you are increasing, you're adding a new level of security, a layer of security. All right, so I just don't want to click here because it will show the QR code, but you're gonna get the QR code. You scan this QR code, and you also have the keys underneath the QR code. So just take a note, write on a piece of paper or on a folder, and leave completely outside of your computer. All right. And the next step is withdrawal passwords. So you can also enable password here. So in case your account gets hacked, you are already adding a new level, a new layer of security. So it will be more and more difficult for someone to hack your account. All right, or I mean to actually withdraw your funds. And the next step is withdraw destination whitelisting. So you can create here a set of addresses and then you can click to restrict withdrawals to whitelist. So only your selected addresses you'll be able to withdraw, or if something happens to your account, they will have to have they will only be able to withdraw to those wallets which will be yours, which will be under your control. So those are the security levels that you can do here on your trading account. And also I would recommend to leave it on require email approval on new device. So if you're changing countries or you are using a VPN or something like this, it will ask. So it's just another layer of security. So for the security levels on FTX, that's how you're supposed to do. If you have any questions, let me know, and please subscribe on the channel. That will help a lot. And I see you on the next video. Take care.